Alright, here we are at the zoo at Forest Park in Springfield, Massachusetts. We have here the black-handed spider monkey. Alright, another endangered primate, unfortunately. So we're gonna go across the habitat and look at the little bird creatures. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. We have here. Alright, see he's eating a mango seed. Oh, okay. Here eating, the baby's eating the mango. Alright, and they have not only black hands, but they have black arms. Look at the little baby. I think there's the daddy. He's all the way up here. Okay, here he is. Alright, so he has some sort of, I don't know what that is, some sort of star fruit or something. Alright, he's enjoying his banana peel or something. Alright, another spider monkey with a pretty long tail. And, oh, okay. I think the baby, they went inside. So let's focus on here on daddy here. They're over here. Alright. I think she's looking for nuts and seeds. Trying to brush off her back and dust. And this one, I guess she's needed up, go to the bathroom. Alright, so let's take a few minutes here with the daddy here. Oh, and I guess he needed to go too. Alright, so let's end the video here at the Forest Park Zoo in Springfield. The black-handed spider monkey. Signing off.